Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you a full overview, full tutorial on how discounts and coupon codes works for Kofi. So if you currently have a coffee shop and you also have like services that you're offering and you'd like to, let's say give discount to your members or anyone in general, or for a specific product or for a specific membership tier or whatever it might be, then I'm going to show you everything you need to know on how this actually works. Right? So once you're inside your Kofi account, go ahead and click your profile on the upper right hand side. You can also manage this from clicking the burger menu and just simply click on commissions, right? This commission section actually allow you to manage those discounts as well. And if you also go under shop and scroll to the bottom, you also have a section called discounts, because you can easily access the same section which you're going to manage discounts under your commissions and under your shop. So as you can see, it's under shops here, discounts. You can click on that and it takes you over to this section. Or if you're under commissions and you scroll down, you also have the section here to manage those discounts. So as you can see here, I have a bunch of them. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply delete all of these so you can easily remove those discounts as well. And I'm going to create different variations and show you how you can manage this. So let's start. Go ahead and click on add discount. And here we're going to create it for everyone. So anyone with this link, anyone with this discount code, they can use this link. And if you look here, it says apply to. If you click on apply to, you can apply to all commissions. So if you're offering listing or services, the commissions, remember the commissions are for services that are any requests or any commissions that you offer as like an extra service or whatever you're doing, not from the shop, but this additional section where you can offer your services or requests, then you will put them under commission. So you choose all commissions and you will do this. But what I'm going to do, let's start with shops. So let's say I'm going to choose shop items. So anything within my shop, and anyone with this link can easily access this. And I'm going to say I want to give them a 20% discount. So I'm going to call this, for example, get 50 as an example. Let's use uppercase, get 20, right? Get 20, right? And then you want to go ahead and put the percentage as well. So that's for 20%. You can set an expiration date here if you like, or you can just leave it unchecked if you don't want it to expire. Normally it's best practice to have discount or coupon code expire. So let's say this is really hot and I'm going to run it for a week until the 28th. Let's do like that and click on create. Now what I've done here, guys, is simply create a coupon code, get 20, that people can just type in on any product on the shop and they will be able to apply this. And that's how this works. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, is just show you, create a few more examples so you can see. So let's go and add again. Let's say I want to add another coupon code for anyone with this product, right? For anyone with this link, but this time I want to apply it to the commission section. I can do that as well. I can create it as well. I can say get 15 as an example, put 15% as an example. Let's leave it with no expiration and click on create. And guess what? I now created a new coupon code. There's also the link get 15 and it's going to apply to anything within commissions. And again, commissions is anything within the services, right? So that's basically, and I'm going to show you how these work afterwards, right? Now let's create another one. Let's say this time I want to choose it for a specific category. Anyone with the link, but for a specific category. So I come here, choose specific category, click the drop down, and guess what? Anything with guides, I'm going to say do that and say I want to give them get 25 or something like that. And let's go ahead and put the get there. I need to remember this. And let's go ahead and put the 25%, right? And let's just leave it at that as well. So I created another coupon code. So you can see as well that anyone with these links are able to use these coupon codes and they're working in different way. Let's add a few more, this time for monthly supporters. And here you can choose if you want it to be for all supporters or for supporters of a specific tier. So let's say I want it only for my VIP members, right? Anyone of VIP, let's say the special VIP, really. So if you're a special VIP, you will get for all shop items and you will get a 50% discount, right? So what's happening here, you don't have to put like a coupon code if you're going to apply for a specific membership tier, because in your shop, these people are already subscribed to you and you want to just give them something in return. So you would just choose a specific category. They don't have to use a code. If you want to use a code, then you will choose anyone with the link, right? That makes sense. So that's how you basically choose it. So we create this one for people who are in the VIP tier, right? As you can see, people who are in the special VIP tier, they will get a 50% on anything in the shops. We can add another one. Let's say anyone, people who are subscribed, we will choose this for, you can choose for even a specific category as well, or you can do it for the commissions. And you can just say, I'm going to give them, I don't know, 70%. You get the idea. Choose that. Now, I'm going to show you how this actually works, guys. So I'm going to go through and just check my products, my shop here, my services here. So let's go back to commissions here, see my listing, and just kind of edit this listing here because I think I made it for some specific people as well. So here you can see that this is for everyone, right? Not only supporters. So this will work for them. So we'll test this out. So that's perfectly fine. Let's check, for example, my shop and kind of make the product. So as you can see here, this is a VIP only. So I'm going to edit this for the time being and just not make it for specific people, but for anyone so that we can test it. So go ahead, save the changes, anyone. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and open my shop in an incognito window and just show you how this actually works. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to quickly open up incognito window here for my shop, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and let me go ahead and find my shop URL here, and I'm gonna open that in a new incognito window here. As you can see, we have, so this is the incognito window. Now if you look on the shop or the services and you basically choose, let's choose for example this product, and we go here and we click for example buy, there is no option really to basically add in the coupon code. And this is something that is really interesting that needs to, I would say, Kofi need to basically add, because if you give somebody the coupon code, then they can't enter it. However, the workaround to this is just to share the link of the product itself from those coupons. So if I go back inside my Kofi discount setup here, you can see that there are links. So let's say for that specific product, which I have for 1,000, anything on the shop, if you copy this link, right, and you go back to the incognito, let me show you. The product is 1,000, as you can see. And if I go to add cart, it's there for the 1,000, right? And yeah, you can basically remove one. So you get it, 1,000. So if I basically copy that link into the browser here, it's going to take me over to the coffee shop. It says link, and it basically tells you that it's get 20. So if I enter this link or you share this link with anyone, they will immediately get the discount. So they don't have to apply it because it's applied through the link. However, you can manually do it by just typing the link to the product, the shop, and then you put link, then get 20. But just simply share this with them. And as you can see already, it applied the 20% discount. As you can see, it's there. And when you add it to the cart, it is added with that 20% discount, as you can see here, right? So that's how it basically works, guys. And as you can see, it says the discount code is applied. So if you are basically creating those products there and you want to give services or give some discount to them, let's say we do the commission. So I'm going to go ahead and let's say get the 15% here for the commissions, right? Let's choose this option and go back. So whichever option you choose, if you want to basically give the discount, share the link. It's better to share the link because they will get the discount that way, and it will be automatically applied. And here you can see as well that the 15% has been applied for the script writing product. So just basically choose and request now, and you will see that it's applied. You see it's there. Just write your description and basically go to the checkout. Yeah, you need to fill in some stuff here. Let me just write something and go to checkout, and you will see that it's applied there. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.